What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. It has been a minute. I know I've been doing the vlogs and I know I have been here, but I haven't been present. Today we are doing a completely we're taking it back. We're taking it back to how we used to operate on this channel. I am doing a wig tutorial for you guys today, and this is going to be a full install from the unboxing to the finished look, which you guys are seeing now. I got this wig from Yolissa Hair. I've got all the details in the description box, and obviously I'm going to talk you guys through the entire process, how I installed it. And I've been saying throughout this whole process that it's been a while since I've done a full install on my channel. And it's been a while since I've done a full install on myself, like from scratch, from start to like finish. I am very happy with what I've done. I'm honestly so proud of myself. I usually have my wigs installed for me. I wanted to give this a go. I wanted to see how easy the lace was to manipulate. I wanted to see how well the hair curls, how it styles. I wanted to really feel the wig myself so I can talk to you guys about it, obviously, so I can talk you guys through it. You guys are going to see this entire process. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, say hey, what up, long time. But it's still good to be back. It's good to be chatting to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I say this in like every single video, and I know there's some of you that click off and that don't subscribe. I'm not going to take it personally, but I'm just going to ask you kindly again, please don't forget to subscribe before leaving my channel. Anyway, let's get into this video.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody.
So the wig comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I've just done a little extra tweezing to the hairline. I am going to probably do a little bit more once it's on my head. I just want to see the vibes first of all. A brush that already has foundation on it, and I'm just putting the excess onto the lace, so I'm not adding too much. And because I have makeup on already, I feel like that is usually like enough anyway. Just more or less where the hairline is. I'm gonna try it on. So because it has the straps on the inside, I'm not actually sure if I'm gonna need to add extra straps. So I'm just gonna adjust it and see how it fits on my head to begin with. So it's got the adjustable elastic on the inside, and it's got the slide grip as well on the back. 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Just probably go there. But I never use those, to be fair. But the less work I have to do, the better. Looks so good. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go in and do some more work to the hairline. So. I've gone in and I have plucked a little bit more off the hairline, which actually looks really good. I love the front area, and now I'm gonna go and lay it down. First of all, I need to cut all the excess lace off, so I need to cut around the ear, which I'm gonna do with my teeny scissors.
I know my job is a blessing, but if you take me, rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things.
Right, perfect around the ears. Feels very good. Okay, we're like Got my blow dryer ready to go. My blow dryer is actually set on cool. I can't use it on any other function when I'm laying down a wig. I just feel like it's best way to do it rather than blowing loads of heat onto my head, which I don't need. Just gonna have it on the lowest cool setting just to make sure the spray gets tacky. First spray I'm using is Ebin, and this is the one that I use all the time. This is the Extreme Firm Hold. And then on top of that, I like to use the melting spray. I use them both together and I use equal amounts of both. So it's really your discretion, like how much spray you want to use, especially like depending on what the weather's like, what you're wearing the wig for, what you're getting ready for. If you're going to a party and you know you're going to need that extra firm hold, then I will like triple up on the layers of these. But if you know it's just like a casual day, then one layer of the spray, an additional layer of this. Then I typically go in with the melting spray for like additional hold right where the lace stops, basically. Like, I let it dry a tiny bit.
Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars.
On for a little while. I feel like this is gonna have to wrap around my head twice, so I just used one that I know is secure and I can secure it at the back here. I'm now gonna trim the excess lace off.
Girl, I realize all I need is you. I can never get enough.
Now that I trimmed it, I do have some that are still sort of like some bits of lace that's still sort of flying. So I'm going to use the melting spray and I'm just going to spray it onto the end of my tail comb.
Way down. Yeah. Always down to have a good time. What you gonna say now? Huh? When they see us running this town, is it how you move, how you smile, how you captivate everything?
That's one thing I don't actually know how to do, and that's making sure there are no ripples in the lace. I managed to get away with one side having none and one side has a couple. I still have a lot to learn. Clearly, put this out the way so that I can tie this. And this band that I have, I actually have to tie. It doesn't have any Velcro, so it's very, very strong. And this is the one that I use when I'm, like, you can cut this from like stockings or tights or anything, but it's the one that I have that I can actually pull and make as tight as I need it to be. This wig, the volume is amazing, the density as well, it's so good. And I think I'm gonna do like a side part situation. Yeah, Side part or middle part? Let's side part it. I've put a C part in to the wig here, and I'm just combing it down to the side, and it doesn't need a lot of flattening because it came packaged really well. You guys can see that's pretty flat on that side. I'm gonna add some waves into it and then layer this front ever so slightly, just so it's a bit more layered. So it's a bit more layered. Okay, I'm gonna use my Davines all-in-one milk. So I was introduced to this by a friend several months ago, and I was just like, you smell so good. And she was like, girl, it is not my perfume, it is my hairspray. And immediately it's like, I need to know what it is. Yeah, and then she got me a bottle, and I'm using my T3 micro wand. I was super nervous to install this wig. I haven't done a wig from scratch myself in ages, especially not on camera. I'm hoping when I take this band off, it's a success. Don't use hair tools like I'm using hair tools. I'm very dangerous with it, and that's just because I like living life on the edge. But no, it's bad. Hence why I have so many scars from burns on my head. I think I'm some kind of superwoman creator. Parting it to curl it or to style it doesn't need to be perfect, in my opinion. I'm just using a little bit of this John Frieda Frizzies serum. Like, I've used this for years and years and years and years, and I feel like it's a goat for me, especially when styling with heat. It's so good.
Body move, pretty eyes, got it all, you killing the scene. I want you to be mine, girl, you got everything I need, and I want you. What you wanna do? Let me give you the moon, yeah. Shine brighter than the stars combined. Let me give you the moon.
Put some wand curls in it. I need to somehow make that disappear. And I always brush my curls out because I want it to be more wavy than curly. So I'm gonna take off the band and just pray to God that the lace looks okay. I think maybe we've gotten somewhere with it. Look at it. Get the heck out of here. This looks so good.
Yeah, you and I, we got the stars aligned. Give you the moon. Night is young, girl, we got plans for a show. Buckle up and up we go.
I don't actually like to glue down my sideburns, but at least let them look like sideburns. It's complete. What do you guys think? I actually really like it. I like that I put it into a side part, to be very honest with you. I just love how silky the hair is without feeling synthetic. It feels great, and it's laid so well on my head. It was packaged and sent incredibly well, hence why I didn't have to do too much styling to it. I just wanted to manipulate the curls a little bit more so that they're going in the direction of the style and they look good for the style. But essentially, yeah, I'm so obsessed with it. I didn't think I was gonna do as well as I did. I haven't installed from scratch, from out the box, in ages, and it feels really good to be back, like, doing wig videos again. It's been a little while, guys. It's not a little while, it's been a long while. All the details for the wig are in the description box, so don't forget to check that out if you are interested in purchasing the wig. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Let me just be honest, I'll give it a solid 10 out of 10. Density, perfect, just how I like it, especially because it's a shorter wig. You want it to be nice and full and not feel like flat on your head or anything like that. So it's got great volume. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Also, let me know if you guys want to see some more wig install videos. Maybe the next one will be a little chatty one because there's so much I have to update you guys on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in another one. Bye for now.
For the sky now, yeah. See the world in my rear view now.